How to fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile stuck on loading screen. So if you want to fix the Call of Duty Warzone mobile stuck on loading screen, then the first thing you need to do is you just need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now scroll down and go for apps. Under apps, you need to go for see all apps and search for Call of Duty. Tap on it, and now you need to go for storage and cache and go for clear cache and also go for clear storage. Tap on delete, and once you've deleted all of the storage and cache, now you can go back and you need to go and force stop the application. Tap on OK. Once you force stop the application, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go back and here go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on reset app preferences and tap on reset. And once you tap on reset, now you need to go back and then you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile stuck on loading problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.